Hi, lovely people. How is your day going today? Mine is going pretty good. I'm doing a couple of videos, then I gotta cook dinner, and I don't know. I haven't done a video in a few days, so I always get excited every time I record videos. I just love the interaction I have with you guys. But without further ado, I am very babbly today. So if you read from my title, I am unboxing the November 2018 Joah box. This is going to be my second time unboxing it. If you can see, I have the swatches. But I started something new on my channel a few weeks ago, and I tell you what is on my face at the end of the video and what I think of it. And as you guys know, I don't edit my videos, so I got done the whole box and ended it and was like, oh shit, I forgot to tell you what was on my face and what I thought of it. And because I don't edit, I don't know how to splice in that extra stuff. So we are just going to start over. So please like this video. Subscribe if you haven't already, because December 1st through the 12th, I'm so excited. We are going to have a giveaway every single day. So I can't wait. You just have to be subscribed. So make sure that you subscribe. And do I have anything else to tell you? No, at the end of the video, I'll tell you what's on my face. I think that's it. Sometimes when you do a video a few times, you forget what you had already said, and sometimes you think you said it and you didn't, but you're thinking of the other video, or you just forget. But let me stop babbling. Let me get on to this November 2018 Joah box. So this is a $33 a month subscription. I do get this sent free for review, and I do have a discount code. It is ANN10, which will save you 10% off. And I really do like this box, since I definitely know what's in here. I really do like it. So let's show you what's in here. So there we go. It comes with a little pamphlet which tells you what everything is and the prices. And then they always, well, it's only my second month, but they put on here, your eyes show the strength of your soul. I think that's so beautiful, that phrase. All right, so the first thing that's in this box is this eye cream. It's from Haute Cuisine. This is a premium snail eye cream, which I love skincare. And that's why I like this box a lot, because you get skincare and makeup. So that's what it looks like right there. So this is a decent size, and this is only $16. It says, many of you love the premium snail serum from the September edition, and so you will like the same line's eye cream. Wrinkle care, nutrition supply, skin firming, brightening containing snail extracts, collagen. This eye cream contains plenty of ingredients with proven beneficial efforts such as camellia, snail slime extract, hyaluronic acid, and aloe vera. So I am excited to definitely try this. I can't wait. All right. The next thing we got was this eyeliner. So this is from the company Chica and Chico. And this is a felt tip liner, which I like these for the top of my eyes, for my eyeliner. I don't always wear eyeliner, black eyeliner on top. I am today. And when I do, I like the felt tips. And this is the reason why I do like black eyeliners and felt tip for the top of my eyes. So this is what it looks like. This is me swatching it over a few times. See how dark it can get. This is me, the middle right here is to see how thick it gets, and right here to see how thin. And I really like it. I mean, eyeliner is eyeliner. So I'm excited to definitely try this. And this would be $12.90, so it's not too bad. All right, the next thing I was excited to get, so this is from Eco Beyond. This is a classic hand cream gel, which I've said all the time, my hands always do get dry, especially in the colder months. So I'm very excited to get this. I have cream everywhere I go, just like I do lip balm. There's hand cream everywhere. And this is only, how much was it? $5. And I did try it on my other video. I'll show you what this one looks like. You can never get too much cream. All right, Anne, stop thinking. All right, so that's what it looks like. And it's pretty good. It's not really thick. And it has a little scent to it, but not too much at all. Just kind of like smells like lotion. All right, so I'm definitely excited to try that. We always get this little card. It says Joah box, and it has a picture of like a playing card. This says November Joah box. I need to email them and see exactly what these are for. I noticed we got this in our last box, but I'm not sure why. So when I find out, I'll definitely let you guys know. All right, the next thing that I see in here is this sheet mask. This is from Master Deep and Quick Mask. This is the Aqua Care. So there are 3 different variations that you could have got. You could have got the Aqua Care, which I got, and that is an Aqua Moisturizing Facial Mask formulated with hyaluronic acid and vitamin C. So I'm excited to get this one. You could have got the Tone Up Care, which is a revitalizing mask with glutathione and vitamin C, or Firming Care mask that is formulated with, oh Jesus, acetyl hexapeptide and vitamin C. So I got this one, which I'm excited to get, and that is $3.50. And last but not least, the big show pricer value thingy-majiggy here is this eyeshadow palette. And it came, did it come in a box? No, it came wrapped up. And this is 25, how much was it? $25.90. And this is from the same brand as the eyeliner. This is from Chica y Chico. So it just says that this one-shot eye palette has 6 different colors that are matte, shimmer, and glitter. And we picked the hashtag wine burgundy version to help you rock fall winter looks. So that's what it looks like. Let me show you right here. Okay, so that's what it looks like. Now, I do have them swatched on my hand, if you guys can see. Let me swatch this one right here again, because it looks like it faded that quick. So I don't like that. So that's what that one looks like right there, the shimmer color. For me, they were kind of dry, and these 2 darker colors you had to build up. So these 2 right here, which, when it's a darker color, I don't mind building up. I don't like to go in really dark, because once you go too dark, you know, you can't take away. You can always add on, so then you just mess it up. So I don't mind building up darker colors. But they feel very chalky and dry, and I don't think I would definitely pay $25. I mean, you could get a Juvia's Place palette for $20 that are so much better than this. I never heard of the brand. I don't know if the brand is really popular in Korea. This box does come from South Korea, maybe. I don't know, but I mean, it's a nice touch. It is nice eyeshadow, but I don't think I would pay $25 for 6 of them. Now, mind you, I haven't worn them on my eyes, so sometimes they are different when you do apply them to your eyes, so it might be really good. So I'm not knocking it until I try it. I definitely will try this. So that's everything that we got in the Joah box. Like I said, Joah box is $33 a month, and it does come from South Korea. And to recap, we got this face mask, we got this eyeshadow palette, we got this snail eye cream, which I'm definitely going to try this tonight. We got the hand cream, which I like getting hand cream. And we got this eyeliner. Let me know in the comments down below. What do you think of this box? Do you think it's worth $33? Let me know. I really do like it. Not just because I do get it for free. I like the fact that you get a variation with the skincare and makeup. Now, this is only my 2nd box. I did like last month better than this month, but I do like it, and I definitely think you guys should get it. Comment down below. Do you get this box? Have you heard of it? Do you want to get it? I think you should. I do have, like I said, I do have 10% if you want to try it on your first box, see if you like it. I don't know. Let me know. Let me tell you what's on my face before I forget again. So the eyeshadow that I have on is this Good Sports eyeshadow from ColourPop. Let me show you what it looks like. So it doesn't come with a mirror, but these are the colors. And I got this like maybe a month ago, and this is really the 2nd time I'm using it, and I really like it. This green and this yellow right here, shimmer or lighter green, I have on my lid, and I really, really like this palette. Like, these are my colors right here. I will definitely try this again, but it's very, very powdery. It has a lot of kick up than some of the other ColourPop palettes. But I do like it. It blends like a dream. You know, it's not really dark. You do have to build some of the shades up, but like I said, I like it. I definitely will use this again. Let's see, what else do I have on? The highlighter I have on is from ColourPop. I'm not sure what color this is. You would have to like kind of like take this out to see the color, because it doesn't come with it on. And it looks like I ate this or something. I don't remember why it has scratches on. I don't know, but that's what I definitely have on as a highlighter. Then for blush, I have this Note Cosmetics. This is the Desert Rose, and I think we got this in a Boxy Charm or Lola box. I don't remember. And this is the color. So really, really pretty. It looks dark, but if you go in with a light hand, it's absolutely beautiful. And then on my lips, I have this Ofra lipstick. We got this in an Ipsy. It's the Ipsy Unzipped. God, I think like towards maybe the beginning of the year. So I have that on with the Becca and Chrissy Teigen lip gloss, and I don't know the shade that's on here. It's like a brownish color. I don't know. So that's what I'm wearing on my eyes. I do like this eye look. Let me know what you think. I'm getting more, I'm experimenting more with color, and I'm quite liking it. Anyway, guys, don't forget to like this video, subscribe so you can get on in the giveaway. And I always leave videos right here if you want to watch more of me, and make sure you leave me a comment. Let me know what you think of this box. Let me know, have you tried anything from ColourPop? What do you like? What is your favorite thing about ColourPop? And let me know how your day's going. All right, guys, until my next video. Bye.